Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. Just wrapped up a house here in Debary, and I just wanted to stop by the job site, do my final walk. The inspector's already come. So what I like to do is I like to also come behind and just make sure that, you know, everything is the way that we like it here at XLR8 Roofing. So I'm going to pan the camera around here and we'll kind of walk you through. Alright, so we're up on the roof here. This customer in particular had off-ridge vents on the house, so what we did is we converted everything to a ridge ventilation system, a little bit more energy efficient way of doing things. So you can see the shingle over ridge vent. The shingles match exactly to what the new shingle color is, and this is an IKO Dynasty Granite Black. Really nice looking shingle. What we always like to try to do is let the customer know if you're going to go with black, let's install some black drip edge as well. So this looks really clean. You can see the lines are really tight. They did have a little bit lower slope area on this front side of the house. Not necessary to do anything special in this area, but what we always do is when we have these little returns like this, we always peel and stick these areas. This is kind of a little bit lower slope than some of the other parts of the roof, and as you can see, it has a potential to get water. This customer also had to replace all of their gutters. They were interested in that, so we helped them facilitate that as well. So you can see we got new gutters wrapped all the way around the house. They did a really nice job as well. Another thing that the customer had was some leaks around the chimney area. So what we did is we installed counter flashing all in this area. So we have an L-shaped flashing here, then the counter flash goes along the top right here. So what we're trying to do is maybe eliminate any kind of water intrusion that this customer could have in the future. Another nice quality roof installation by XLR8 Roofing. If you have any questions or you'd like us to stop by and give you a quote for a replacement, please let us know. Once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. Appreciate your time.